We just heard back from one of our happy customers who gave us a glowing 5-star review, so we thought we'd share it with the world. We're happy to say this is just one of the many reviews we get from our customers all the time. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from happy and satisfied customers, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. So if you're looking for a company that has the best customer service backed by years of extensive knowledge and experience, then we're the right fit for you. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.